Alright, so what I have right here is the Desview or Desview Teleprompter T2, and it's a little teleprompter where you can use your phone or your camera to record off of, and you use your phone or a tablet to read off of. I don't really use these too much, but this one right here is really nice, and usually I feel like what you look for in teleprompters are like the glass. You have the teleprompter right here. Then you take this cover off. It's kind of a hard cover to take off, but as you can see, the reflective one-way glass. And you put your lens through here. Then no reflections, or you shouldn't be getting any reflections since your lens should be plugged right in there. Right now I have the phone adapter on right here, so you can plug in your phone nicely. Like that. Take this off. It's really easy. I actually really like how easy it is to take the phone adapter here off. But something I don't really like is the phone holder for the teleprompter actual text. So you put your phone in here, but if you have your tablet, you can put in this one. But you have to flip and turn it around. And you have to actually get screwdrivers and unscrew these and then flip it around and then screw it back on. I wish there was like a more like with this one, the manual screw on. And it comes with a bunch of these lens mount adapters for different size lenses, so you can like get smaller or the wider ones. And they put it's on the lens ring filter here, and you can just take it out. It's kind of a hard thing to put on, but keeps it kind of secure. Another gripe I have with this is that once you have your lens on there, it's not as sturdy as I wish it was, especially with how much force you have to take off and on the thing. But usually if you have your teleprompter on, it's not that bad. Now, the little remote for the app you can download for the teleprompter, it's pretty straightforward. You just slide down, slide up, speeds, your menus. But in order to see those functions, each of those functions, you have to look through the manual. And this is something that's really, I don't think, very user-friendly, especially when you're first opening it, because all the little pictures in here, here's the English side, but all the little pictures in here and the text are so small. You really have to squint to like see them and read them. I mean, this isn't too bad right here. But once you get to like the instructions, oh boy. Yeah, the text in here is like really tiny, and like the images don't really help that much either, because like you can barely make out the detail. But yeah, you can go through these, and I've only used it once, but as far as I can tell, the app works, and the remote, it works as intended to. And I find that the most valuable thing, like what all the money that went into this, is the glass. The glass is really, really nice. It's a nice, clean, one-way glass, and as far as I can tell, you don't really get like too much of a tint shift through it, but you do lose light. Like, I think it's about like 2/3 of a stop of light, but other than that, it's no color shift. Yeah, there's just a couple of user issues that I don't really enjoy, like the mount, or like, you know, the filter mount with the sliding back and forth, or even like this little plate that goes over it. It keeps it nice and safe, but it's kind of a hassle to take on and off. But yeah, I really recommend this product if you're looking to get like a teleprompter. It's pretty nice if you're like a medium distance away from it. It's not big enough for you to be like, you know, across the room or anything. But if you're using
So this is my Desview T2 Teleprompter that I've been using for about a week now for all my client shoots. And I honestly gotta say, I love this teleprompter. It makes things super easy for my clients when we're recording interviews or testimonials or introduction videos, or you name it. A lot of times I find clients are nervous speaking in front of the camera. So when I put this teleprompter up, they have something they can read off while looking directly into the lens, and you still get a high quality product, and they're much more comfortable in front of the camera. I cannot say enough good things about this teleprompter. It's just made from really high quality materials like plastic and high quality glass that prevents, you know, I had my doubts when it came to this teleprompter on if you're going to be able to see the words, you know, on the glass, because right now I got my camera, and what essentially it does, it's reflecting the words onto the glass, but the way it's designed is when you're recording, you don't actually see the words. It's some crazy magic going on, but I love it. It comes with a lot of great features. Right now I have this iPhone stand holder that I have, and that's kind of my main go-to, is putting my iPhone there and using the Desview app to have the script play, which is really convenient. So that's that, but underneath, as you can see, if I was to flip it, I could put an iPad or a much bigger tablet and use that to have the words on the screen, which is also really nice that you have that flexibility. It also comes with a lot of different rings depending on your camera lens that you're using. Right now I have the 67mm ring, which is my go-to for this lens, but it's nice that they added a lot of different sizes for whatever lens you may be using that you have, and also another mount that you can use for, you know, your smartphone. So that's also really nice that you have more options depending on what you want to use. This remote control is also included. That's really comfortable in your hand to use. It starts and stops the actual app. So when you connect it via Bluetooth to the application itself on your smartphone or tablet, you can go ahead and hit play and the words will start scrolling. or you can hit stop and it'll stop wherever you are. You can, go back or go up a couple lines depending on what you want to do. If you want to redo something, it's all right there. Very convenient, very handy for you. And the actual installation is super easy. You just put the right size mount on and you slide the teleprompter right onto the mount. And I have no worries. This is secure. This isn't going to go anywhere. So I have no problems putting my phone here because I know it's not going to fall or anything like that. So I can't stress this enough. If you're, a YouTuber, or you're a videographer, or you're dealing with clients, or you're just making videos for fun, this is a great product to have, and it's worth your while to pick it up if you want to be more comfortable in front of the camera, or if you're not comfortable in front of the camera and you find you're stuttering, or you can't get your words out, or you just need a little bit of an extra aid, this is highly, highly recommended. You cannot go wrong.
ये मेरे पास डेस्व्यू का टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर कल मुझे रिसीव हुआ है, और ये मैंने इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग भी किया है। ये इसका बॉक्स है, और ये पूरी डिटेल इसकी लिखी है, और इधर भी ये इमेजेस बनी है। इसके अलावा ये जो टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर का जो मेन पीस है, इसको मैंने यहाँ पे मोबाइल के लिए इस चीज़ को फिक्स कर दिया है, और इधर को भी फिक्स कर दिया है। ये इसका रिमोट कंट्रोल है जो मुझे मिला, इसको भी मैंने चेक करके देखा है। इसके अलावा ये सब सामान है कि जिसमें लेंसेज हैं और मोबाइल के कैसे इसको यूज़ करना है। एक चीज़ जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो इसमें प्रॉब्लम वाली लग रही है, कि जो गाइड है, गाइड में जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हैं इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए और उसके लिए सेटअप के लिए वो इतने छोटे दिए हैं कि उसको मैंने एक बार दो बार ये वाला खास तौर से इसको समझने की भी कई बार कोशिश की। तो ये फिर मुझे कई यूट्यूब पे उस पर वीडियो देखने पड़े, तब जाके मुझे इस चीज़ को समझ में आया। और हालांकि इसमें एक जो मुझे सबसे बड़ी जो ड्रॉबैक है, कमी है, कि इसमें ट्राइपॉड मुझे आना चाहिए था, और जिसकी मैंने उम्मीद किया था, क्योंकि जो फ़ोटो या विजुअल में ट्राइपॉड भी दिख रहा था, और बिना ट्राइपॉड के इसको इंस्टॉल करना मुश्किल है। तो मुझे इंस्टॉल ट्राइपॉड की मुझे ज़रूरत है बहुत ज़्यादा।
सो गाइज, ये डिस्व्यू कंपनी का T2 टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर है, बहुत बढ़िया है। आज ही हमने परचेस किया है। ये आप देख सकते हैं, इसके साथ बहुत सारे कैमरे के लेंस और ये जो मोबाइल के लेंस आते हैं। उसके बाद ये टूल्स आता है मोबाइल रखने के लिए। और ये जो कवर है, ये टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर है, और इसमें एक कवर है। ये कवर निकालने के बाद आपको एक ग्लास देखने को मिलती है। सो गाइज, आप भी परचेस कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है। मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर किया है, और आप भी ले सकते हैं। मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड के पास यही टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर है। सो थैंक यू।